Most people believe weight gain is about eating too much or exercising too little. But what if that's not the real problem? Have you ever tried cutting calories, skipping meals, or pushing yourself harder at the gym, only to see the scale barely move? Or worse, you lose a little weight at first, then everything suddenly stops. This isn't because you're lazy, and it's not because you lack willpower. The truth is, many people are fighting their own body without realizing it. As we get older, our metabolism changes. Stress increases, sleep quality drops, hormones shift, and slowly your body enters a kind of fat storage mode. In this state, your body resists burning fat, even when you eat less, and even when you exercise more. That's why so many diets fail long-term. It's not about calories anymore. It's not about motivation. It's about something deeper. How efficiently your body can actually burn fat. In this video, I'll explain why traditional weight loss advice often stops working, and what most people are missing when it comes to real, sustainable fat loss. Stay with me, because understanding this part changes everything. One of the biggest myths in weight loss is this: just eat less and move more. If that were true, weight loss would be simple. But for millions of people, it's not. When you constantly cut calories, your body adapts. It slows your metabolism to protect you. This is called metabolic adaptation. Your body thinks it's under threat, so instead of burning fat, it holds on to it. Exercising harder doesn't always help either. Too much intense exercise, especially combined with low calories, can raise stress hormones like cortisol. High cortisol tells your body to store fat, especially around the belly. That's why many people feel stuck. They're doing everything right, but their body is working against them. Age makes this even worse. As we get older, muscle mass declines, insulin sensitivity changes, and fat burning becomes less efficient. So following the same advice you did in your 20s often doesn't work in your 30s, 40s, or beyond. The problem isn't effort. The problem is using outdated strategies on a body that has changed. To lose fat sustainably, you need to address how your body works now, not how it used to work years ago. Here's the part most people never hear about. Your body doesn't burn fat continuously. It burns fat when the conditions are right. Think of your metabolism like a switch. When the switch is on, your body uses stored fat for energy. When the switch is off, your body protects fat, no matter how little you eat. One of the most important organs involved in this switch is your liver. Your liver helps regulate blood sugar, fat metabolism, and how efficiently your body converts fat into energy. But over time, poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and environmental toxins can slow the liver down. When that happens, fat-burning signals weaken. Your body becomes less responsive to insulin, energy production drops, and fat storage increases. This is why many people feel tired, bloated, and stuck at the same weight. The issue isn't that your body is broken. It's that the fat-burning system is out of balance. Instead of forcing your body to lose weight, the smarter approach is to help restore the conditions that allow fat burning to happen naturally. This is what people mean by a metabolic reset. It's not about extreme dieting. It's not about exhausting workouts. It's about supporting the systems that control how your body burns fat in the first place. Once you understand how fat burning really works, the solution becomes much clearer. Instead of fighting your body, you support the systems that control metabolism. This is where a product like Live Pure fits in. Live Pure was designed to support metabolic balance by focusing on liver function and natural fat-burning pathways. Rather than relying on stimulants or harsh chemicals, it uses a blend of plant-based ingredients that help support energy production and fat metabolism. What makes this approach different is that it doesn't try to force rapid weight loss. Instead, it focuses on restoring efficiency, helping your body burn fat the way it's supposed to. Many people overlook the liver entirely when it comes to weight loss. But supporting liver health can make a noticeable difference in how the body processes fat. This doesn't mean Live Pure is a magic solution. It's a tool. When combined with reasonable eating habits and a balanced lifestyle, it helps create the conditions where fat loss becomes easier and more sustainable. That's why this kind of metabolic support has gained so much attention lately. It works with your body, not against it. At this point, it's important to be clear and realistic. Live Pure isn't for everyone. If you're looking for instant overnight weight loss, this probably isn't the right approach. But if you've tried traditional diets, reduced calories, and exercise consistently, and still feel stuck, this kind of metabolic support may make sense. Live Pure works best for people who want gradual, sustainable fat loss. By supporting how their body functions internally, it's not a replacement for healthy habits. It's a complement to them. The ingredients are non-prescription and designed to work gently over time. That's why results vary from person to person. Some people notice changes in energy first. Others see differences in appetite or bloating before the scale starts to move. This is normal. Weight loss that lasts usually doesn't happen overnight. The key is consistency and supporting your body instead of stressing it. Approaching fat loss this way reduces frustration and makes it easier to stay on track long term. So if you've been feeling stuck, frustrated by diets that stop working, or confused about why your body won't respond anymore, this approach may be worth looking into. Instead of fighting your metabolism, supporting it can make a real difference. If you want to learn more about Live Pure, I've included a link below this video where you can review the details for yourself. Take your time, read through the information, and decide if it aligns with your goals. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about understanding your body and choosing a smarter path forward. Also, just to be transparent, this video contains affiliate links. That means I may earn a commission if you choose to make a purchase at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more content on metabolism, fat loss, and wellness.